International Men's Day is celebrated on the 19th of November every year. This year, the theme for the Men's Day is helping men and boys. The theme aims to celebrate the positive contribution of men to this world, families, and the communities and promote their well being. The aim is also to promote basic awareness of men's issues. The day celebrates the cultural, political, and socio-economic accomplishments of men. The day also focuses on improving gender relations and men's health, promoting positive expressions of masculinity, and also highlighting the contribution of male role models. Thomas Oster was the director of the Missouri Center for Men's Studies, and in the early 1990s, he invited organizations from the US, Australia, and Malta to conduct small events with an aim to celebrate International Men's Day during the month of February. Oster hosted these events for 2 years, but in the year 1995, very few organizations attended the event, thus resulting in the discontinuation of the function. In 1999, Jerome Tilaksingh revived the day when he realized that there was no day to celebrate men who didn't have kids or who were young boys and teenagers. He also understood the importance of positive male role models and chose to celebrate International Men's Day on 19th November. The day also marked the birth anniversary of his father, his personal role model. Since then, International Men's Day promotes positive aspects of male identity rather than negative gender stereotyping. The day intends to highlight the importance of men's physical and mental health and positive masculinity. This day is dedicated to speaking up about men's well-being and health, their sexual struggles, and the societal conditioning that they are subjected to. This is also the day when discrimination faced by them are spoken about and better gender relations are promised to be created. The ultimate aim of this day is to promote basic humanitarian values and awareness on men. International Men's Day is based on 6 pillars which focuses on building positive male role models, the working class heroes of the day-to-day life. The day can be marked by simple yet sweet gestures such as wishing the men you care for and expressing your gratitude to the ones who have cared for you. Events focusing on men and their achievements are also organized.